Here's the entranceway with a all-season porch on it. And also on the porch, there is your washer and dryer, your laundry station. Come into your living room. Very, very light, very airy. Your kitchen. The kitchen has a pantry. This is your pantry. Back up to the kitchen. One downstairs bedroom. Closet. You come out of there and you can go into the area which can be an office or a study. Again, a lot of light, a lot of windows, another door. Very cool spiral staircase. Go up to two other bedrooms. There are other ways of getting furniture upstairs besides the spiral staircase. It's another entrance. And here's the first bedroom. As you can see, it's got skylight, closet. Very nice old beams showing. See up above, little post and beam home. Back in the hallway to the second bedroom, which is a little larger. Again, lots of light. Another skylight. Great place to live. Shot going down, spiral staircase.